SureFit's classic slipcover construction features a patented seat elastic and a relaxed adjustable fit with front corner tie closures. Remove the one-piece cover from the packaging and locate the enclosed step-by-step printed instructions. This product is available in both box cushion and T-cushion styles. Place the cover in the dryer on a short cycle with a damp hand towel to help steam out any wrinkles. Drape the slipcover over the furniture using the center back and center front sewn-in labels for guidance in proper placement. Line up the back hem even with the floor. Locate the arm labels and align the contoured sections over the left and right arms of your furniture. Line up the front skirt section of the cover across the bottom of the sofa to just touch the floor. Adjust the arm height to lay even with the front and sides of the slipcover skirt. If you have a T-cushion style of furniture, align the pre-pleated corners with the T-sections of your seat cushion and tie on the side of the furniture profile. If your furniture has a smaller silhouette, you can move the front dart to the side of the seat cushion and tie accordingly. Tuck and smooth excess fabric into the back and sides of the seat area. Slightly lift the seat cushion and wrap the patented seat elastic under and behind the cushion all the way across. Smooth fabric across the back section and pleat any excess fabric and tuck firmly into the shoulder crevices. We recommend using SureFit's Tuck Once tools to better smooth the fabric and keep the seat cushions tucked securely into place. To finish the casual look, close the matching ties using a square knot, a Windsor knot, or a traditional bow. Finish by tying the back corners of the cover, tucking any excess fabric into the pleat. If some wrinkles remain on the fabric, you can use the steam setting on your iron to touch up the surface. All SureFit slipcovers are machine washable, making this an easy, affordable way to update your home decor.
What's your style?
My go-to style is boho.
My style is whatever her style is.
Now my style is Hygge Cozy.
Mid-century modern.
Or maybe boho.
I'm more Southwestern.
No. Coastal.
My style is casually coastal.
Wait. Farmhouse.
Farmhouse is definitely my style.
I've got it. Eclectic. Oh, that's perfect.
Thank you, bud.
Now this is my style.
For every room, every lifestyle, and every occasion. Lush Decor.